We always wonder what we are going to do with leftover food. Like, for example, rice. What can we do with leftover rice? There are many items we can do with leftover rice. Today especially I'm going to show you very easy and quick way of making fried rice. This is actually a garlic and chili fried rice. This is going to be so tempting. I'm sure you all are going to try. So, दोस्तों, वेलकम टू रत्नास किचन. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग मी टुडे. आज आपको मैं गार्लिक चिली फ्राइड राइस कैसे बनाते हैं दिखाऊंगी. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं फ्राइड राइस. So I've got the pan on. Let's start the stove. And what I'm going to use for this fried rice, I'm going to use sesame oil. This is going to taste much better. But if you don't have a sesame oil, you can use any cooking oil. That's all good as well. So let's add a bit of sesame oil first. And I'm going to add egg as well in this fried rice. So I'm going to scramble the egg first in this oil, and here are some ingredients, simple ingredients. As I said, leftover rice, white rice I have here, and I have plenty of chopped garlic and green chilies because I want spicy fried rice. And I have here spring onions, cut them into nice finely chopped, and I have a black pepper and white pepper. White pepper gives a beautiful Chinese flavor to the fried rice. So the oil is hot, so let's crack some eggs into this. Adding 3 eggs. Going to add a bit of a salt, bit of white pepper, bit of black pepper, cracked pepper, let's just scramble it. Egg is almost done. I'm going to take it out and leave it aside. In the same pan, I'm going to add again a little bit of sesame oil. Let's heat that up. It is hot, so first I'm adding nicely finely chopped garlic, and I'm going to fry it until it turns nice and brown, crispy. So the garlic, you can see how nicely it's browned. So I'm going to add green chilies there. Green chilies you can add up to your taste. I like it nice and spicy, so I'm adding a lot more, but you can add just 1 or 2. Okay, now I'm going to add spring onion, a bit of a spring onion. I'm going to add half a cup of green peas, baby peas. To this, I'm going to add white pepper. White pepper is really tasty for the Chinese cuisine. So I'm going to add plenty of that. And I'm going to add a little bit of black cracked pepper as well. To this I'm going to add a little bit of white vinegar, just a tiny bit. You don't need to add too much. So it's all cooked nicely. The baby peas, you don't need to overcook them. You would like to have a bit of a crunch in them. So I'm just going to add the main ingredient, rice now. I'm going to add some salt to this now, according to your taste. So let's mix it all up now nicely, and then once it's all mixed, I'm going to turn the stove off and I will start plating it up. So here it is, very tasty garlic chili fried rice with egg. Here it is, very tasty, delicious fried rice with garlic and chili. I hope you all liked today's very simple recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. Until then, goodbye.